Number 1. Freelancing. One of the most popular ways to earn money online is through freelancing. Talented people have a platform to offer their talents in writing, graphic design, programming, digital marketing, and other areas through websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancing. Number 2. Blogging and content creation. If you have a passion for writing, or are knowledgeable about a specific niche, consider starting a blog or a YouTube channel. You can eventually make a sizable revenue, with well-planned monetization through sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and advertisements. Number 3. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or skill, online tutoring can be a profitable venture. Numerous platforms connect tutors with students, allowing you to teach subjects ranging from academics to music, art, or even coding. Number 4. E-commerce and dropshipping. Creating an online store or trying dropshipping can be profitable business ideas. Determine which things are in style, build an online store using tools like Shopify, and promote your goods using digital and social media marketing. Number 5. Stock market investments. Consider buying stocks or mutual funds. If you have a strong interest in finance and are prepared to learn about the stock market, while investing involves risks, with proper research and understanding of the market trends, you can potentially earn substantial returns on your investments, contributing to your monthly income goals.